The civil authorities have issued a law enforcement warning for the city of Baltimore. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Baltimore Police Department. A dangerous situation is taking place in downtown Baltimore at 6:50 p.m. Eastern Time. There are multiple reports of strange individuals wearing a pitch-black costume, attacking and causing damage to stores, vehicles, and property. The Baltimore Police Department cannot be determined on their exact origin of these cults. People are advised to remain away from the cult. These groups of cults are extremely dangerous and they can attack anyone that they see in their path. The Baltimore Police Department has recommended that everyone should stay indoors and not go outside for any reason. Anyone who is outside is at high risk of being attacked. If one of the cult members breaks into your house, use any firearm equipment to defend yourself. Stay tuned for more updates.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Baltimore Police Department. The cult that has been reported to be attacking others and causing massive damage is a shadowy cult group. This group is dangerous as they strive to attack anyone that they see and make them believe in the shadow entity. And they claim that if they don't believe in a shadow entity, they'll experience a worse fate that they will never forget. The police are on the scene, battling against the cult group. Normal program may now resume, and stay tuned for more information on this developing situation.